What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're having a comparison between Base44 and Lovable AI, which is the best AI builder and which one worth it. So Base44 is an AI-powered all-in-one website and a system builder designed for businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs who want more than just a chatbot. You can create full websites with AI-generated pages, ad forms, landing page blocks, and custom content, and built-in design tools for layout and branding. Also, you can add an interactive AI assistant, handle visitor questions, and works like a 24/7 digital helper. Track visitor behavior, measure engagement and conversion metrics, and even use data to improve your website and user experience. It has a custom UI design tools, SEO help built into pages, and lead capture with AI forms. Now moving on to the Base44 limitations. It has a slight learning curve, not as simple as plug and play. More expensive than a single-purpose chatbot tools and requires some time to fully set up and integrate. It's best for you if you want a site, an AI assistant, and analytics in one platform, and if you want lead capture and conversion tools, not just chat. Now moving on to Lovable. Lovable is an AI-first builder focused mainly on conversational bots and customer engagement automation. You can create easy chatbot for websites, natural language interaction with visitors, and help answers FAQs and route users. You can automate help responses, reduce manual support tasks, and works on multiple platforms like websites and messaging sites. You can connect with a CRM tool and works well with commerce platforms and easy embed code for websites. But on the other hand, it's not a full website builder, focuses only on chatbot and engagement. It's simpler analytics, which is less detailed than Base44 and less customizable on the design side. So it's best for you if you want a simple, powerful chatbot, if your main goal is customer support automation, or if you want a quick setup with minimal technical work. So at the end, Base44 is stronger overall for businesses that want AI plus website plus analytics in one place. And Lovable is excellent if you focus in the conversational AI and support automation without building a full website. Both tools are solid. The right one depends on your goals. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review and I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.